Oh, I think there's saran wrap around it. Or Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what kind of makeup I picked up in a Yesstyle haul, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so I do a Yesstyle haul at least 2 to 3 times a year. If anyone is interested, I do have a Yesstyle discount code for 10% off, which is down in the description box. Alright, so this is the smallest box I have ever received from Yesstyle. But to be fair, I ordered, I want to say 95% is all makeup. Usually it's the other way around where 95% is skincare and skincare tools, meaning big old boxes of cotton pads. Alright, so fingers crossed I enjoy and like everything I picked up, meaning like the shades are good. Shopping online can be hard. For anyone who isn't aware, Yesstyle is an online retailer, I believe located in Hong Kong. They sell internationally, ship internationally. They're always having a sale. They do everything from Korean skincare, Japanese skincare, makeup, beauty accessories, clothing, home items. They do the gamut. They're really reasonably priced. Don't be scared. Like I said, I've done at least 4 or 5, possibly. This is my 6th purchase from them. I did the advent calendar last year, and I just picked up the 2021 advent calendar. They ship quicker than ColourPop or Elf or many of the US brands, so don't be scared. Alright, I picked up 12 items and somehow received 6 free items, probably samples, and it always comes nicely bubble wrapped. Alright, first item. Yes, so I recently switched from filming downstairs in our family room up here to my luxurious beauty studio, aka the spare bedroom. And I'm always needing my tweezers because as I edit and watch TV and do stuff downstairs in the family room, I'm like, where's my tweezers? And they're upstairs in the beauty room. So I picked myself up an extra pair. These are from the brand Litfly Cosmetic Beauty. And these are hefty, meaning this is made out of real metal. And considering how tiny they are, and look, they have that lovely angled, and I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, they squeeze all the way tight. The hairs on my chinny chin chin appreciate this product. Alright, next item. What is this? Oh yes, I remember. This is the Dr.Mascara fixer from ETUDE House. And this magical cream does like 3 things in one. It like volumizes, it works as a mascara primer, and I think it has a lash serum in it. I can't remember everything. I will list on the screen all of the magical things this claims to do. I am super excited to give this a try. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing a product review. Alright, what else did I get? Oh yes, I totally forgot. I wanted to be all fancy and, you know, pro YouTuber. I've always wanted a makeup palette. I use the back of my hand, but mainly why I got this was for this little item here. And this will help me depot any eyeshadows, highlighters, bronzers, anything that I no longer want the packaging, or sometimes you get stuff and there's no mirror, and then I can throw it in my Z palette. Yes, the price of one of these by itself was only a few dollars off from getting the set. And look, you can put your little finger in there and mix, mix, mix. And in a pinch, it works as a mirror. All right, next item. All right, so I got a 20-piece makeup brush set. I know. Do I need brushes? No. Do I like brushes? No. Do I love brushes? Yes. I will admit they are a little smaller, shorter, more travel size than I thought. But this was super, super inexpensive. I can't remember. The price will be on the screen. I want to say like $6, $8 for 20 brushes. Yes. These are from a brand called Beautrend. And this alone, a spoolie for my eyebrows, is lovely because I lost the one I had. All right, next item. What is this? We have from Rom and Better Than Shape. Yes, I purchased these products. No, I don't remember what I purchased. What is this? Oh, yes, I remember. This is like a little contour bronzing, I won't call it palette, but it's like a one pan with two colors. Okay, yes. And blank face will enjoy this. All right, I'm going to finish unboxing everything and then I'll do the try on piece. All right, oh my God. This is super tiny, super cute, but almost feels like it's meant for like a little girl. Did not look like that when I was shopping online. This is a blush from a brand called Canmake, and it's the Cream Cheek, and I'm not seeing a shade. I will list it on the screen. The hardest part will be figuring out how to open this up. All right, Cream Cheek product, check. What else did I get? Okay, here is one of the skincare items. Much smaller than I thought. This is the Yuja Niacin Brightening Sleeping Mask. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. I swear I already own this. Unless this is a sample. It smells like lemon and is yellow and jiggly. And, yes. I love a good gel cream. I love the scent of lemon. All right. Next item. What is this? We have from McQueen a waterproof pencil gel liner. And this is in the shade Smoky Roasting Latte. I am on the hunt for a waterproof gel eyeliner that I can tightline on my waterline on the upper part that will not bleed down to my lower part. I tried the Huda one, and no, it bleeds bad. All right, let's do a swatch and give it a smudge test. Oh no, the tip broke off. Maybe I pressed too hard. Hold on, I'm gonna get it all over my fingers, but before I throw this in the garbage, let me smudge it on my hand. Don't you hate when you do that? Yes. Thank you, sharpener. All right, did I stall long enough to give this a chance to set down? That is lovely. Now, the true test will be in the waterline. All right, what else did I get? Yes, I got from PURITO the Cica Clearing BB Cream, and this should be in the shade 23 Natural Beige. This is my holy grail. I'm wearing it today. I already own it. I was just getting a backup. I love it that much. And Yesstyle has a really good price. You can pick this up on Amazon. All right. What else did I get? Yes. You know I love the skincare. And you may or may not know I love Snail Recovery Gel Creams. And this is from MIZON. And it sounds gross. but it is fantastic for the skin. All right, is this safety sealed? Yes, this is safety sealed. I will leave this for another day as I have way too many open and ongoing moisturizers, creams, serums, etc. All right, what else did I get? We have a theme going. This also is a Snail Repair product. Oh, but this is an intensive BB cream, also in the shade number 23 from the brand MIZON. And I have not tried a BB cream from this brand before. Interesting packaging. You screw it off, but then it squeezes out. Okay. I will definitely do a try and review of this product. I love BB creams, but the ones from the US are not as good, in my opinion, as the ones from Korea. The ones from Korea have a little more pigment, aren't so yellowy undertoned. They're more cool toned, which bodes well for my skin. And I find that the SPF they use doesn't creep into my eyes and sting them like the Burt's Bees, the Maybelline, and other US brands. Sorry, but it's true. And the next item we have from a brand called Peach C, the Peach Glow Makeup Base. So this will be like a glowy primer. Adorable packaging. Okay, yes, it's not safety sealed, so let's give it a little try. It smells lovely. It's very soft. I'm assuming because it's called peach, it's supposed to smell like peach, which it kind of does. And then a little bit it smells like, you know how that glue, the stick glue, smells like popcorn a little bit? Just a little bit. It's like peach with stick glue popcorn scent, which I enjoy, but I don't know if I'll pick up. It's very glowy. Yes. Okay. And then the last items are all of the samples. So from the Skin House, received a Marine Active Cream. From Frudia, I received a Citrus Brightening Cream. From Common Labs, I received a Vitamin B5 Moisture Ampule. From PURITO, I received the Centella Green Level Calming Toner. A sample from COXR, which is a black snail collagen cream. And from PYUNKANG, I received the Highly Moisturizing Essence Mask Pack. All right, now let's do the try-on, and there are fewer products than I thought. Let's start with the eyeliner. What you saw me wiping away was not this product, but before I started filming, I had put on the Huda Beauty. I don't know if this will come before or after, but I will be doing a Huda Beauty mystery unboxing, and I received a product there, and I put it on the upper waterline, and blink one, it was, my camera died. Okay, so I'm back. Not sure where I ended off. I think I was talking about the Huda Beauty mystery unboxing. Check it out. This one, let me see, I've blinked at least 20 times. If there's any other color on my lower waterline. I think it's doing good. There's some residual stuff from the Huda Beauty, but I'm pretty certain this one isn't adding any additional. All right, what's next? Oh, yes, let's try the contour. All right, let's start with some swatches. I am so fair, I don't know if these will pick up. This is the darker shade, and right there is the lighter shade. I'm just going to go in a little heavy-handed in the darker shade because I think that light shade won't even pick up on me. What is really good about Yesstyle, because It is based in Asia and a lot of Asian brands. If you are very fair, you will bode well on finding products, particularly like contour, blushes, etc., that if you shop US brands and you find they're too dark or not quite your skin tone shade, maybe check it out. It picks up better than the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. All right, I'm going to match the other side and move along to the blush. The hardest thing will be figuring out how to open up this packaging. I think there's cellophane around it. Give me a second. My new hero product. I love it. All right. This is a cream blush. Do a swatch. It's right there. That is a lovely, lovely shade. I like it. I don't know how well it's picking up on camera, but in person, it is a lovely, natural looking kind of rosy pink that gives just enough of flush and doesn't look heavy-handed or like, oh my god, she went ham on her blush, which is typically what I end up doing. So I like this. Okay, and the cheat product is I'm already sporting the PURITO Cica BB cream. This is what the product looks like. I'll do a quick swatch, but I will be doing a separate video. Don't be scared. It looks kind of dark, but this blends in to your skin tone in such a natural, beautiful way, and it will adjust. So it kind of looks a little gray when you put it on, but then it warms up. And I find this shade, the 23, works better. I have had some where it's 21, and how Korean BB creams work, they're usually 3 shades. 21, which is very fair, 23, which is light, and then like a 25, maybe a 27. There typically isn't more than 4 shades. There may be other brands that have more than that, but I used to get the 21 and it would make me so pasty pale, and I find that the 23 I think suits me better. All right, what are your thoughts, comments down below? Let's recap what I got. I got not 1 but 2 BB creams, a glowy primer, a cream blush, a travel size sleeping mask, an eyelash primer, a 20-piece makeup brush set, a waterproof gel eyeliner, a Snail recovery gel cream, a contour, a makeup palette and depotting tool, some tweezers, and 6 free samples. What are your thoughts? I'm going to list on the screen the grand total. I know shopping online isn't for everyone. I know shopping at Yesstyle isn't for anyone. But I'm here to tell you it's easy, safe, and you can discover some really great products. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you. And don't forget to click that bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. Leave me a comment, and you see this guy right down there? It looks like this. It would mean the world to me and really help my channel if you would hit that thumbs up button. All right, thanks everyone.